Sweden on a collision course with Putin after declaring its wish to join NATO.
Look at all these ads here.
Oh my God.
They're like, in the meantime, get a Jeep. They're targeting you, Will, because you're so rugged. So apparently, I don't know if this is official. This website makes it seem that way by saying declaring wish to join NATO. We were talking about Finland, Sweden, and whether or not this would happen. Shout out Zion. Sweden is poised to join the NATO military alliance as early as this summer. Finland could follow suit shortly after. European countries which have remained outside the bloc have been weighing up overhauling their defense policies in response to Russian aggression against Ukraine. Leaders in Stockholm have made up their minds, according to reports in Swedish media. So these are reports in Swedish media, which, I mean, it's not, I guess it's not official, but it seems things are trending that way. It was rumors, then it was polls, and now it's
on their media.
Now it's reports. Now minds have been made up, apparently. Prime Minister Magdalena Andersson and other party leaders have decided their goal is for Sweden to join NATO in June this year. June this year.
Oh, that is fast.
What month are we in?
It's April. I almost forgot, actually.
After April is May.
Yeah.
After May.
June. That's what I'm saying. That's pretty soon.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a fast track. I think it's. I don't even know if you can do it faster. You pick up the phone. You're like,
I don't
NATO,
think so.
NATO. What can we do?
Yeah.
And
I
NATO's
think
like,
the papers were all ready. Just got to sign them.
Did you see them passing these papers around? Have you seen that?
I would imagine
They're
so.
meeting with Zelensky in Ukraine. Everything's getting blown up. It's all types of violence and everything. And then the lady from, I don't know, Germany or wherever, representing potential membership to NATO is like, go ahead and read over these papers and we'll get back in a week or something. And I'm like, papers?
Yeah.
We're reading papers right now? And I know it's symbolic and everything else, but you can't send the PDF?
Right.
It might get hacked, though, the PDF.
I don't know that it's how confidential that
why would it
paperwork
be
is.
so secretive?
I think it's just the rules and structure of how NATO operates, like the terms of use. Terms of service.
The terms of service.
NATO,
they just agree at the bottom.
Exactly.
Just check.
They scroll really fast.
Yeah.
Zelensky just scrolls right to the bottom.
Yeah.
Done.
But it still takes
He
2
puts
more
the
months.
digital signature, paste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, your URL has been taken already.
She met with Finland's leader today, who said her country would make a decision within weeks on whether to join, with the two likely to act in tandem. It tees up a potential tense situation on the continent's eastern flank. Sweden and Finland are in a minority group of 6 that are members of the European Union, but not NATO, along with Austria, Cyprus, Ireland, and Malta. A senior NATO leader made it clear to both countries that the door was open to them amid reports. Both are prepared to reassess longstanding foreign policy stances after the Ukraine invasion. Well, you'll see what will happen to that map, as we talked about in the past. If Sweden and Finland go green representing NATO members, it's a full engulfing.
Yeah.
You have a few countries in the middle of Europe there that remain neutral, and then Ireland is on that list. But other than that, it's a lot of NATO going on. And we'll have to wait and see if there's any type of retaliation, because there's been threats.
Yeah.
And now if you're basically saying it's official, shout out Michael, if you're basically saying it's official, when does that retaliation occur? Does it occur at all? What exactly transpires?